choke close. Yep, see, ugly start, so. And we back with another one, man. You already know what time it is, man. So out here in the garage, man, real quick, like, man, it's nice and bright, nice and sunny outside. Said I was gonna get out here real quick, work on the, not the Malibu this time, but the SS. Weather finna get real nice next week, finna be in the 70s. It's like high 60s or mid 60s this weekend. So I wanna go and get this thing situated so I can get it washed up, get it cleaned up, and get this baby back on the road. You did, so that's what we're gonna do today. One of the things I did say I wanted to do was get in here and take this distributor back out, hook up all the mechanisms in the inside so the mechanical advance will be full on. Right now it's locked out, and I don't think I want it locked out anymore. I want to tune it back down just a little bit, so we're gonna do that too, man. I might do that depending on how this thing start up right now, so we're gonna see. Because one of the issues when you lock out a distributor, it do have like initial start issues. It's a hard start, and I don't really like it. It give off that grinding noise on the starter because it's kind of cranked up kind of high right now. So if it do that noise right now, man, we're gonna take it back out, you dig, and we're gonna put everything back in it, man. With that being said, man, let's go and get started. But you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops. You did, so let's get at it. All right, man, let's see how this start do real quick. Let's see how this start do real quick. I'm gonna pull this up. Hold it up. Heavy, boy, with that one hand. I'm gonna pull this thing up, man, real quick. Let's see what it do, y'all. Let's see if it give me an ugly start. But if it give me an ugly start, that'll strictly come back out. But if it don't, we're gonna be in the money, you did. So let's see. Choke close. Yep, see, ugly start, so. See, I don't really like that start, y'all. took some of the timing out the distributor before I had it locked out. So I went ahead and put all the mechanics in there, like the weights and all this good stuff, man. So what I did was, the way I got it set up now is I got it set up almost close to being locked out. Like, so basically it's as high setting that it can go, where the advance kicks in right now somewhere around like that 1500 RPM, instead of kicking in at dead startup or what have you. Time you hit that gas pedal, it's in, you know, it's already advanced. Let me see if I can fire it up real quick with y'all. Dang, boy, I probably should have set that hood up a little higher than that. But anyways, no problem on the startup, man. It sound like excellent, man. So what I'm finna do now, man, I'm finna go ahead and take these back tires off, man. I'm gonna tackle these brakes in the back. I inspected the brakes in the front. They look really, really good. Damn, they're brand new. Overall, I'm just trying to get the SS nice and ready to go to get back on the road for the season. Everything else is pretty much good to go. If I get bored or if I still have enough time left, I might take the spark plugs back out, clean them, stick them back in. That'll probably be the only thing other than that, you know what I mean? So let's go and get these off real quick and then see what's up, man. See what's up with these brakes in the back, you dig? So stay tuned. Alright people, so after a close inspection, man, I don't think I'm gonna change these out. Like, look how thick that is right there. Look how thick that is right there. So on the new pads, they're literally about the same. So the thickness on here, that's the front. Thickness on here, that's the back. Literally about the same. So I ain't gonna change it. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Well, before I decide, I'm gonna go ahead and take the wheels off the back side, and then I'm gonna see what's on the other side, and I'm gonna see what's to that. But so far, this side is looking pretty good. Even the wheel cylinder itself, it ain't even leaking. The rubber on the side still looking good. So yeah, I'm probably gonna end up just spraying this with some brake cleaner. I'm gonna spray all that dust, that brake dust off, and clean it up really good. Put the cap back on it, and we're gonna go with it, you did. So let me see what's up on the other side, and then we're gonna make this choice, or we're gonna make this decision, you did. So hold on, stick with me. Same thing on this side, man. Brake pads look pretty good. They not scratched up. They don't have any, like, you know, breaks in it or anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna rock with these, man. Even down to the mechanism, man. They not over saturated with brake dust, any of that good stuff. The brake cylinder look pretty decent. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna spray these down with some brake cleaner, clean it up nice and good, and I'm gonna stick these things back on, man. Even making sure ain't no gouges or nothing in the inside of this, and it looks really, really good. So yeah, we're gonna rock with it, you did. So